Hello guys, welcome to my garage. This is my green Mitsubishi Colt, and today I would like to show you how to replace or clean your air filter. The engine needs a lot of air. Every second this little small 1.3 liter engine sucks up to 7 gallons of air. You don't want your engine to suck any of the dirt, leaves or road grime when you're driving, so you need to clean the air somehow. That leads us to our filter, which is located in the airbox right here. Changing your air filter is really simple. Just unclip these two clamps and slide the filter right out. You can see all this mess, dust and bits of leaves around here. I don't want this in my engine. When your air filter gets dirty, it's more restrictive, so it reduces performance. In order to get the most performance out of your engine, you need lots of air. So make sure your air filter is clean, so it doesn't restrict air from getting inside. I would also recommend you to take a vacuum cleaner and vacuum the airbox from inside, in case there are some fallen leaves, dust and stuff. So now I'm going to do it. Simply take your vacuum cleaner, put it inside, vacuum everything, and you're good to go. Now when your airbox is clean, take your fresh air filter and slide it in. Remember to close your airbox. And that's it. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you wanna see more simple tutorials. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.